Hi everyone, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. This is Bao. Today I'm going to be doing a Jeffree Star mystery box unboxing. This is the Supreme mystery box. I'm super hype. It's about to be lit. I don't have any specs with me today, so sorry. It's currently like 1:30 in the morning and we are getting ready to leave to Montreal. But I really wanted to get this done so that I could post it for you guys. So why don't we get started, okay? And if you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. The first item. It's a jumpsuit! Oh my god. Really cute. It's bright as hell. It is super bright. I mean, not normally something I would wear, like not normally a color I would wear, but I'm gonna wear it and it's gonna be cute. I'm not gonna do you like that. I will take it out of the package. Okay. It feels really good too. Clearly this is a men's size. I should have gotten a medium, but I ain't mad at it. I also might just give it. I have to take this out first because I love these so much. Oh my god. This is the mini red and pink velour liquid lipsticks bundle. I almost bought this. I love all of these colors. I really do. I do not have doll parts. I do have Calabasas, favorite lippy. I don't have wifey. I do have watermelon soda. I do have Anna Nicole. I don't have prom night, I don't think. I do have red rum, and I do have unicorn blood. So all of these liquid lips I already love. I am so hyped. Okay, for real though. Great value. The lippies will last you forever. Unless you're me and you use them every day. All of these are fantastic colors. Thank you. Up next, we have the mini breaker palette. I do already have the jawbreaker palette, so this is going to be a great addition. Yo, look at that. I love the packaging. Really cute, small, easy to hold. Oh, look at that. Comes with a really nice mirror. These are the shadows. This is my hand. I got kind of small hands, so tiny palette, super. I'm hyped for this, okay? I also really like to keep all of my packaging. So if you ever see my palettes, most of them still have their packaging around them. Got a Supreme Frost highlight here in Caramel Kiss. I think this one is probably going to be a little too dark for my skin tone, but I'm happy to keep it in my collection. Oh yeah, super pretty. The Supreme Frost highlights are great. We've got, oh yeah, Anna Nicole in the velour lip liner. So that's gonna be dope. I do have a few of these. I personally would say that they can be a little drying on the lip, but I would solve that by putting a lip balm on first and it'll help with the glide. Either that or warm it up on your hand before you start applying it to the lips. But these are good, they do last long. And then I got a velour liquid lipstick in Zombie Kiss. Looks like it's gonna be a purple. Ooh, look at that. Really pretty purple. Definitely gonna have to incorporate this into a look with the jawbreaker palette, either the big one or the mini. Don't forget, do shake well before you use these. Sometimes depending on the pigment, like if it's got sparkles in it, it could be a little streaky, so be wary of that. Cucumber Mint Velour Lip Scrub. I do already own a couple of these and I do like them a lot. They definitely help. They do taste good. Please don't replace them with a meal, but this smells just like cucumber and mint. Very, very refreshing. I'm gonna have to start scrubbing my lips more because I got a lot of them. Let's see. This is another velour liquid lipstick in Venus Flytrap. Let's get a shake. Wow, that is really pretty. That is a dope green. I could definitely use it as an eyeliner. And then I've got a lip ammunition in Yummy. This is what the component looks like. It's a little plasticky for my liking, but all good. I'm not gonna swatch it. Straw. We do like the straws. I have the black pack and I do use them a lot. Oh, and it's got the cleaner too. Thank goodness. These are really dope. Please, please, please do your best to get metal straws. I've got Prom Night Record. This will be a dope piece to put on the wall for a little decor around my vanity. I don't have a record player, so I can't make use of it, but sweet. Oh, what is this? I'm almost done, babe. That was really creepy.
Yeah, sure. This is good for your video.
Okay, I gotta finish this up because we have to leave in less than 2 hours and I am not packed yet. And I still have to shower, so I have to take the clothes out of the dryer and blah, blah, blah. This is a hand mirror. Boy. Dope. I've been meaning to get one of these, so guarantee I'm bringing this to Montreal with me because I'll be struggling with those mirrors in the hotel. Okay, since I gotta close this up real fast, recap on what we got. Got the Jeffree Star hand mirror in orange. Orange metal straw. We have the cucumber mint lip scrub. Lip ammunition in Yummy. Velour liquid lipstick in Zombie Kiss and in Venus Flytrap. Supreme Frost in Caramel Kiss. Velour lip pencil in Anna Nicole. Mini Jawbreaker palette. And all of the reds and pinks. Oof, I love this. A record and the tracksuit. If I remember right, I think I spent $160 on the box. I'm really happy with it. I've been really happy with all of the Jeffree Star mystery boxes that I've gotten so far. I always shoot for the biggest box because, to be honest, it's the best value. All right, y'all, I just did the math and the retail cost of the Supreme mystery box is over $331. Jeffree, you snapped. Seriously. And look at all that stuff. Y'all gotta get it. If you can, the next time there's a mystery box, keep track of it on Instagram. He does it a lot. I love all of the lip products, all of the quality of the shadows. They've been fantastic. They're super pigmented. I can't say enough good things. So I need to get ready to get on this flight to Montreal now. So I'm gonna dip. My name is Bao. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.